I have no shame about my size at all. That's why I find it so funny. So many people are like, "Oh, you're filtered," blah blah blah. Like, I don't care. Like, and if I was 5 Salahs wide, who cares, Ted? What's your point? Like, take your $2 and shove it. What's your point? I told you how many times. You can think I'm 800 pounds. I don't care. It doesn't bug me. I think it's crappy overall that people fat shame people. That's not a rage, that's a fact. And if you do that, you're a POS. That's it. That's just a fact. Can Amberlynn come to the Middle East? Okay.
She will finish the chocolates and the food.
Fat shaming! And if you do that, you're a POS.